some young people in Malawi have been harnessing the power of Chinese online shops to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. 28-year-old Joseph Nambuzi is a graduate of the University of Malawi and now based in Blantyre, the second largest city in Malawi. Even as a student, Nambuzi saw the potential in ordering computer batteries from China and selling them locally. After graduation, he continued this venture while working part-time as a biomedical engineer.
We order online, mostly use Alibaba platform. My experience has been good. We buy from China and we use the Chinese to ship everything to us. So we have found it convenient.
Malawi's relationship with China has been marked by long-standing trade ties. Hopkins Kawaye, a lecturer at the Catholic University of Malawi, believed that Malawians can learn from the Chinese model.
There is kind of a strong trade relationship between the two countries. You can learn from the Chinese. We buy machines and then we produce goods here and sell them to other countries. We shouldn't order machines that are used to produce goods. When we produce the goods, we sell them locally. If we can do that, it can be good for our economy.